Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone, and welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 17, and we started the topic called the SLA. Okay, let's come here and we'll start the next portion of the SLA. Okay, so yesterday we read, yesterday we study, yesterday we get knowledge or we shared knowledge with each other on the SLA definition, but it is still not completed. Okay. We were creating one SLA with the name called the LNG. But now we will see that when this SLA should attach, should start, when this SLA should pause, when this SLA should cancel or the stop, or when this SLA should reset. Okay, so now the start condition says, again, simple point. I said if there is a fire, call to fire brigade. It means the fire is the initiator for that particular trigger. Right? So here what I will do, I'll put that how the SLA will be start. See, until unless we kick off this training formally, there was no SLA. You cannot say, Atul, you are saying 45 days, 45 days, we are chasing you for from the last 30 days. I said when this training will start, then the SLA will start. So I'm saying on the start condition, if my incident is active, true, and is new, and let's say priority is P1, then this SLA should start. Okay, in SLA, remember one thing. If these three conditions match, only then SLA will start. Let's try this part. Let's save it. Let me open in the other window. And let's come here. Let me say caller name is Atul. Okay. And let's save this. Now the question comes where I can go and check is that SLA has been attached or not. Scroll down, go to the related list, task SLA. Oops. There is no SLA has been attached. Why? Because this incident did not fulfill the condition. And what condition we put for the starting part? Active true, state new, and priority 1. Active true, yes, it is active. State new, yes, but priority is not 1. Let's change the priority here. And now save. And let's see. So it's saving the incident and the mapping of or attachment of the SLA will be started. Now if you scroll down, my SLA has been attached here. You will say, Atul, why this one is coming? This is given by ServiceNow out of the box. Simple point. Remember guys, very simple point. If the condition match, because yesterday I told that on a single table you can have a multiple SLA. If there is a fire, ambulance need to be reached within 5 minutes. Police need to be reached in the 5 minutes. Fire brigade need to be reached in the 5 minutes. 3 different components, but trigger point is the same. So now you can see my SLA has been attached here. This is our SLA, right? This is what we did. It's showing 29 minutes left. Let open this and discuss this point a little bit. Let's understand this particular SLA table. It is coming from the table called task underscore SLA. It is coming from the task underscore SLA. What it's saying? What is the incident or the task name? Yesterday I told you how many type available in the task table. So incident is one of the type in the same. Then it says SLA definition. Which SLA need to be attached? The name of the SLA, this one. Then it says type. It's a SLA, OLA, what? It is coming from here only. Then target coming from here only. Then it says stage. Means stage not for the incident. No. It is a stage of the SLA. Is running, is pause, is cancelled, is reset. We will see when we change the conditions, this stage will be also get changed. Business time left. 29 minutes left. How much time we give? We give the 30 minutes. Out of this, we're talking and it's a 29 minutes left. Elapsed is a 20 seconds. Maybe it's calculating that time. When the SLA has been start, this time. Let me refresh this now. It's still running. Let me add few more fields to give a little more understanding. Start time, stop time. Let's put breach time. Let's put original breach time. Let's put has breach. Let's put actual time left. These fields are important to understand, guys. Now, if you see, okay, I have a start time when this SLA has been started. When is SLA is going to be breach? Means after 30 minutes it will breach. So it is giving me that your SLA started at 14, it will be ending at the 44. It means I have to be resolved this incident before this time. Otherwise, my SLA will be counted as a breach. If I'm not able to complete this training within the 40 to 45 hours, it means I'm breaching my SLA. And being a customer, you have a full rights to put a penalty on me. Not practically, but in the industry world, we have this thing. If you're breaching my SLA, you have to pay the penalty for me. Original breach time. Give me some time, we will discuss this part, that how this is different than the breach time. And is SLA already breached? As of now, no. As of now, SLA not breached. If I just put here, let me put just a 3 minutes and save. And let's go and see. Or maybe we need to start the SLA again. Okay. So now by this way, my SLA gets started. Let's come back here. See and think from the open perspective, guys. This is not an easy topic. You have to think from the technical perspective, everything from the functional perspective. Let me put it as 10 minutes only as of now. Okay, now I say, okay, Atul, SLA has been started. When I will say that we need to, when I'll say SLA get cancelled. I'm skipping this part at to start. We'll discuss it, but not now. When to cancel? You order something from the food delivery app. It say it will be delivered in 15 minutes. If it did not deliver in 15 minutes, then you can say please cancel it. Then what say? You can cancel the SLA if start conditions are not met or cancel conditions are met or never. Simple. If it did not fulfill this part, then the SLA should be cancelled. Or you can put the cancel condition as well. What cancel I'm putting? If someone change the priority to 2, then this SLA get cancelled. I'm not saying that new SLA has been attached or not. I'm not sure, but this SLA get cancelled. If pizza delivery says that if you're not able to deliver the pizza in 30 minutes, then consider this as a cancel order. And I click on the save here. Let's go here and create a new incident. Okay, putting one SLA and save. Let's scroll down and see my SLA has been attached. Hey, why it's showing 59 minutes? Did I change something? Yeah, 10 minutes. It's 59. Why it's saying 59? Let me refresh. Okay. Sometime what happened that these, okay, this one, sorry, this one is fine. 9 minutes. Now my SLA get attached. When this SLA get cancelled, if I change the priority to P2, only P2, not other than that. I'm not saying if P3 it get cancelled. No, I'm saying if it become P2, this SLA get cancelled. Save it. See, my SLA get cancelled. Why? Because it did not match the start condition. Now, if I again change the condition to P1, then we'll see what happened. My SLA get started again. Right? So it depends that what condition you're putting in the start or stop. Or I say never be, you can put never as well, that this SLA should never get cancelled. Up to you. To understand this thing, what you have to do? I'm telling you one more thing. What you have to do? You have to read about this SLA like this. System given or out of the box SLA you have to read. See what it mentioned. And then you can read it. I'm telling you before you start working in any of the configuration, if you read about the out of the box configuration, you will get a little more and much better idea. So this is what it's saying. that when the SLA should start. Okay. Now it says pause condition. Food delivery app says that you will get your order in 30 minutes. But this SLA will be paused if there is a road blockage, there is an accident happen, or there is a rainy season, then this SLA will get paused. It means we have to be define the some pause condition. I said if the state change to on hold. Now see what agreement we have. I said, guys, this training is for the 40 hours. If I am not able to take the class due to some reasons, the SLA get paused. But vice versa is not a case. If you are not attending the class, it doesn't mean that SLA get paused. No. SLA still continuing because you are not attending the class. So I'm saying if my state is on hold, then pause it. Don't stop. There's a difference. Stop and pause. If you remember in the old days, in 90s somewhere, 90s or 2000s somewhere, there's a tape recorder came, which is a 5 or 6 button. Play, record, reverse, forward, pause and stop. Pause means you're just pausing it for a second. It is not going forward. Stop means it will start from again. Pause means it will start from the same time period where I'm pausing it. Let's take example. MJ invited everybody at home. Hey guys, please come to my home for the party. Okay, no problem. Party timings from 6 to 9. Okay. Everybody say let's have a movie here. Okay, fine. Everybody okay for the movie. 7 o'clock, they started the movie. Movie for the 3 hours. Expected to be complete the movie by 10 o'clock. Okay. So Priya and Khushbu call at their home and say, hey, I'll be back at home by 10 o'clock or 10:30. Their parents says okay. Movie started 7 o'clock, going well. Suddenly, there's an issue in the electricity. For 1 hour, there was no electricity. So movie get paused there. Now movie will not complete at 10 o'clock. What time movie will complete? Movie will complete at 11 o'clock. But what is the original time for the movie completion? Is a 10 o'clock. Okay. So this is what we have to do the pause condition. So like we are pausing, we have to be resume as well. And when what said resume when the state is in progress, then resume. Okay, let's save it. And now create a new incident, or maybe let's try for this incident only. Okay, what I'm saying, if the state change to the on hold, let me put on hold. And save it. And save it. Let's see, is any changes that happened in our SLA or not? Sometimes I did not work, so put a repair SLA. Sometime it's stuck, not every time, but sometimes it's stuck. Or maybe we can create a new incident as well if required. Okay, let's get a new SLA then. Sorry, new incident. I'm putting caller as a LNG, priority 1, select the rate and click on the save. This will trigger the start condition. Okay. SLA started, right? Good. Now come here and change the state to new to the on hold and awaiting caller. Save and save. Let's see what happened to our SLA. It's still showing in progress. It means something wrong in our SLA part. Let's see what. Okay, state is on hold. Okay, and on hold reason, let me put. On hold reason is awaiting caller. Now it should work, I'm sure. Let's try this new and save, so that we are just making it a pause now. Okay, working fine. Let me put on hold. Waiting caller. And commands are mandatory. Save. Oops, again it's not working. Why? It's showing response not on the pause. Let's see what happened. Anybody has any idea why it's not pausing it? Let's see here. What is the priority one it's giving to us? It's not showing any condition here. Then why it's not working? On hold, awaiting caller, and let me try to repair this SLA. Nope, still not working. What happened? It should show me the pause here. Let's try some other SLA. Let me open the outer box first. Definition. Okay, on hold, it's fine. Yep, that is fine. On hold or awaiting caller, that is what we are giving. And start condition is 2 and 2, right? Maybe let me change this condition here. Is someone open this incident in their side? Maybe it's cache issue, something at my side. That what SLA it's showing? This one. Just try to open this incident in your side, guys. And tell me, is this showing SLA pause or still showing in the in progress? This one. It should show pause now. Sorry, it's in progress. My bad. On hold, awaiting caller. Save. Okay. I got the idea. I got the clarity. Okay, good question. Come back here. Saba, it's fine. It will not. It will not. I got the reason. Everybody is seeing this incident, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Akanksha, Priya, Saba, MJ, right? The question come, why this incident is not going into the on hold state? And due to that, the cell is not working. Put a question. Who will take a question for today? EB. EB, note down the questions and put on the WhatsApp chat after the class. You guys need to be identify why this incident is not going in the on hold state. Okay. Now let me try some other incident. It is very, very important question, guys. Let me get a new incident here. Okay, P1, P1, and test and save. I'm getting a new incident and my SLA get attached. Perfectly fine. Now I want to see the pause condition. On hold, on hold. Reason is awaiting caller. Additional comments are here and save. Now if I scroll down, my SLA get pause. Let pause it for the some time. And I'll add a few more fields here for your understanding. Original breach time, pause duration, pause time, actual time left. Let me add these fields just for the understanding purpose, guys, for your understanding. Okay. So this is our SLA. Pause, it's fine. As of now, it's saying that I paused this incident at 5:37. And actual time left as the 9 minutes. The breach time is 5:47. Now let me start this SLA again. Means I'm going to be resume it. And for resume, what condition we say? We say yes, go ahead.
Atul, why was it not pausing earlier? What did you change here?
I didn't. That is the homework for you guys. You have to be identify.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So EB is taking the question for today. And you guys to be identified that why the previous incident was not getting into the on hold. Okay. And this is the practical scenario, guys, I faced in my project. Okay. Now I'm moving back to the incident to the in progress so that my SLA should start again. Okay. On hold to in progress and save. Now scroll down and see in progress again. 9 minutes left. That's fine. And it's saying you did the pause for the 2 minutes. The original breach time is 5:47, but now you paused it. It is become 5:49. You are watching the movie. Timings for the movie completion is at 10 o'clock, but due to some electricity issue, movie get pause. So the same timings has been added into the completion part. Now my incident will be breached at the 5:49, not at 5:47. Okay, Now I'm coming to the third part. It's called stop. When you want to stop this, stop means SLA over. I'm not saying cancel, guys. Cancel means the life cycle has been over. Stop means the life cycle still have a chance to be reopened. Okay, so I'll put when the SLA stop, when the state is closed. Then I'll say my SLA gets stopped. When stop, when movie is over, what left? Nothing. You cannot start the movie again, right? If you want to start the movie again, you have to be set up the room, invite your friends, have a popcorn ready, have a cold drinks ready. Then you say, yes, guys, let's have a movie together. Once it stopped, it stopped. So let's put save here. And now let's go back to the same incident and move this incident to the closed state. And these things become mandatory. Save it. Once a record moved into the closed state in ServiceNow, it cannot be reopened. Either incident, either change, either problem, either request. Once this batch has been completed, you guys will be marked as an alumni for me. If you want to get more knowledge, you have to join the batch once again with the fresh from the day one. And now you can see SLA get completed. SLA never get over or stop. It is always says completed. Okay, movie is over. Movie is completed. Cancelled and complete has a two different words. You went for a movie at MJ house. There's a fight has been happened. MJ cancelled the plan. That is cancelled. Completed. You go there, you enjoy the time, you enjoy the party, you watch the complete movie of the 3 hours and then you come back. That is called the completion here. So now you can see here. Stop time is 42. Start time is 37. Time left. Business time left 7 minutes. Elapsed 2 minutes. And like this, it's showing to me complete picture here. Clear everyone till this point? Any doubt, any clarification required, guys?
So I have few questions.
Go ahead now, please.
Yeah. So let's say if it is paused or if it is completed or if SLA was attached, do we get is an incident created? Or we get the notification or we get an email if this happens.
Repeat your question. You are mixing a lot of things here. Repeat your question, Khushbu.
Let's say an incident was created and SLA was attached.
SLA get attached. Okay, fine.
Yes, yeah, and it got closed or the state was changed or anything.
Incident get closed. Okay.
Yeah, closed or maybe it was breached or anything. It
Okay.
was paused. Do we get a notification about it or anything like an email that it has happened?
Okay. So beginning of this class or beginning of this training, I said, guys, I will not share any kind of a documentation. I will not share any kind of a docs. I'll not share any kind of a notes. Right? But maybe I said, you are my special batch. I said, guys, you will get everything. You will get a notes, you will get a handouts, you will get a book, or you will get some PDFs and all the things. The intention of saying this part is Khushbu. It's all the all the configuration what a user want, what a customer want. Email will go or no, that depends on you. Did you configure or not? Did you configure in your mobile phone when you purchase a new mobile phone? Did you configure how to call? No, you did not configure because it is coming out of the box. But you configure that how to install the WhatsApp. So this is depend. If you talk from the PDA perspective, from the out of the box functionality, yes, there's a lot of notification go and the state change. In the SLA get pause. If SLA get breach, then also the emails go out. You have to be identified from the out of the box notification that what notification is going out. To do this part, what you can do here. Let's say copy this incident number. Okay, if you want to see, or maybe if you want to see, right click, configure, and notifications. These many notifications are going.
Okay.
Incident resolved, opened, closed, met, updated with the problem, priority raised, create incident. These things are going. Or I can say on this table, these many are attached. Now the question comes, Atul, which is for me? Go here, search for the emails. Open it. Search emails with this. These emails go out. Creation, comment edit, and closed.
Okay.
Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Go to the second question.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. Don't remember now.
Okay. Yes. Anybody else has any question here, guys? Or you have a deal with Khushbu. Khushbu, you ask a lot of question, and we will offer some drinks to you, some gifts to you. Let me come back here. Yes, Anna, Omiko, EB, MJ, Akanksha, and Ima. Oh my God, today's a full house. Happy to see. Any doubt, any question in this topic till now?
No question.
Okay. Ima, Akanksha.
Yeah, I'm good.
Great. Khushbu done. Saba, Olu, Ugo, Kumar, Priya, and Gloria. Any doubt, any question? Good. Thanks, Olu. Thanks, Saba, for confirmation. Good. Now, what is the homework for you? EB second question. You can put in the today's homework. You guys have to be create minimum. I'm saying minimum 5 SLA. Minimum 5 SLA and put the different start, pause, stop, and reset condition. Put different and raise the incident and see that how SLA is getting attached. What happen if I change the condition? What happen if I make a change in this format? What happen if I change in this particular field? For I agree, we are consultant. If I say that I'm a business analyst, what is my work here, Atul? My work is to get from the customer that what start condition he is looking for, what stop condition is looking for, what pause condition is looking for. Okay, and what you can do, let me see if I can open this. I forgot yesterday as well, on the even last week as well. Let me log in here. This developer this part has some exercises as well, guys. I forget last week to be give to you.
One more thing. Do we have to also work on these incident, or we are just creating these conditions for the customer?
How you test otherwise?
No, we'll just test, right?
You will test, right?
But we'll not be doing it once it's out. We'll not
Out
be
means
working on the
out means
incidents, right? Out as in given to the customer, it's working in the production.
so you have to be test, right? Once you test in the dev or the UAT, only then you will move the change to the production environment.
Yes, so this is how we will be testing, like how you were
Yes.
doing, right?
Right.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Let me go here tutorials. Okay, let me see. I was searching something here. Yes. Data trigger, identify use experience. I was checking some kind of exercise here. Let me see this. Do I have something? Create catalog creation process, not this one. Not this one. You guys asking that Atul how we can do the practice. So this is a practice, you can do it. I'm just checking that what is the best one which we can use for our practice. Create a catalog. No. Let me see this. Creating design, this one, creating a table. So you can start from this part. Create a table. You want to do a practice? Follow this link, a standard authenticate link for your practice, for learning as well. I'm putting it here. Okay. Log in with your credentials there, and then you can do. Let's see something for the SLA. Do we have any course for the SLA as well? Yes, something is there. SLA timer overview. UIB setup. Not this one. We don't want. Let me see. Service level agreement. Because sometimes I struggle that how I can give you the homework to do some practice. So this is what you can do. What is flow? What is this? Not this. Let open this part. Component creation. Maybe they have something. They don't have something as well. UIB something different. They're beekeeping. Okay, but you can create SLA from your this thing. Alignment, positioning, behavior, states, read accessibility. Maybe you can read this link as well. It's a good one. Okay. Now come to the very important topic of the SLA, which will close our SLA topic. Okay. And I strongly recommend don't feel sleepy now, at least for the next 20 minutes. Okay. How many of you, let me come here. How many of you like the retro style? 90s, 80s, when people wear flowerish outfits, big hats, big coats, no jeans, no tops, kind of good things were there. But it's a retro style. In the movies, big mustaches, big beard, pipe, cigar. If I talk from the Indian perspective, the old era of 90s, 70s, 80s, time period of the Helen, Hema Malini kind of things, bell bottom shirts, sorry, bell bottom trousers. How many of you like that? The old era. Don't worry. This is the base for our discussion today. Like girls, or I'm sure that boys also have a kitty parties, and in the kitty parties they have a theme. This week theme is a retro. So you dress up like a old time period. Some different kind of a hairstyle, some different kind of muffler kind of things. This is called the retro, right? Retrospective. I want to go back in the old days. How many of you like to go to school again? Tell me. Maybe one day or maybe 2 days only. Completely school uniform dressed up. Skirts, coat, tie, handkerchief, iCard, bag, lunchbox, bottle. Almost everybody like it. Being mother, being father, we are doing these things day in, day out now. And we say to our kids, hey, your life is good, yaar. Get ready, get all these things and go there. Why I pick up these examples? Because in our IT industry, this retro word has a big word. Okay. And I'm putting a word with this retrospective. If you notice one thing here, it says retroactive start. Sorry, not retrospective, retroactive. Sorry, my bad. Retroactive start and retroactive pause. These two words are there, which client is always eager to know. Now tell me one thing. I'm putting a question here. An incident has been created at 7 a.m. It was P3. Listen, I want answer from everyone. Incident has been created at 7 a.m. It was a P3. Breach time was 10 a.m. Okay. Clear? After 2.5 hours, the same incident is make at the or change to the P1. And P1 has a resolution time 30 minutes. Now give me the answer. What is the breach time of this incident now? Choice 10 a.m. or I can say 12:30 p.m. or 7:30 a.m. or none. Let me repeat the question. And I need all the 13 answers, guys. Number one, I have an incident which created at 7 o'clock in the morning. It was P3. Resolution time 3 hours. Logically, it will breach at the 10 a.m. After 2.5 hours, the priority has been changed to the P1. P1 has a resolution time of the 30 minutes. Now tell me, what is the breach time for incident now? It is 10 a.m. It is 12:30. It is 7:30, or it is none. Let me minimize this and come to you guys. We'll start from the bottom. Gloria, what is your answer? Tell me, Gloria, what is your answer? I'm not able to hear you. Maybe you're speaking on mute, Gloria.
The P1, does it mean it starts same time as 7 a.m.?
Same time. I'm saying the same incident has been raised to the P1. Be careful on the words now. What is the breach time? Tell me, Ugo, what is the breach time for this incident now? I'm looking for an answer, guys. Khushbu, what is the answer? What is the breach time? Olu says 7:30. Okay, good, Olu. Thanks. Khushbu, what do you say? Quick, guys, quick. Priya, Akanksha, MJ, Ima, EB, Sabah. Give me the answer. Don't.
None.
None. Ugo says none. Fine. Good. That's fine. What else? What do you say? Khushbu, Priya, Kumar.
7:30.
7:30. Who says 7:30?
Khushbu.
Khushbu. Okay. Omiko says 7:30. Okay. What next? Priya, what is your answer? Open your mind, guys. B. You have to be answer it.
It's going to be 10 o'clock. 10
o'clock. Okay.
Yes, 10.
10 a.m.
You're saying 10. Okay. Kumar, what is your answer? MJ says 10.
I think it's 10 o'clock too.
It's 10 o'clock, sorry. Okay. Kumar, what is your answer? I did not hear from you. Give me answer, guys. Why you're shying? Okay. She said something. 7:30. Gloria says 7:30. Okay. Kumar, Akanksha. What's your answer? Quick, guys. It is not a time to be keep quiet. It is a time to be answer. Okay, no worries. Good. Now let me come back here. You know, this is the toughest part. Being a consultant. When you did not speak in front of the customer. Toughest part. Customer think you have no idea about the tool now. I'm asking a question. You have to be. Did I say that this is right? This is wrong? No. But if you're not answering, it means you're not convincing your customer about your thoughts. Then how will proceed on the consulting area? You have to be answer. These questions, this question and multiple answer open a thought for everyone. Now let me come to Sabah, Priya and MJ. Why you guys say it's at 10 o'clock? Give me justification. Yes, Sabah, why you say 10 o'clock?
Because the resolution is 3 hours, irrespective of if maybe the customer came back and said, oh, you want it to be 2.5 hours. So it still doesn't matter. It's still going to count the same way. So at the end of the day, it's still going to breach. So,
Okay.
That's my own understanding.
Okay. Olu, Khushbu, Omiko, and Gloria. Why you guys say 7:30? Justify.
Because it is a new SLA that was attached now, and so it will take 7 a.m. as the
Why
start.
it take 7 a.m.? It should take P1 become now only, right?
Yes, yeah.
Then why it's
So
7 a.m.?
the time will change.
So
Is it?
time should be 9:30, right? Not at 7 o'clock.
No, I thought it should not. It will not change because whatever time was given,
Okay.
and
Olu,
we will. Yeah.
fine. Olu, why you put 7:30 as answer?
I just guessed.
Okay, you just guess. No problem, no problem. At least you answer it. Okay, someone is saying that Atul network issue. Okay, thanks, Kumar. Okay. Glorio, why you say it's a 7:30? Yes, give me the answer, Glorio. Go ahead. Not able to hear you. I'm not sure it's some mic issue at your side. Okay. Now the question come, two answers, 10 o'clock or 7:30. Saba put his perspective. I'm sure Priya and MJ supported with him. Khushbu put her perspective and Olu supported on that part. But now be practical. Customer says, boss, I have a given contract to you that my incident should get resolved within the SLA. Fine. If you are raising the priority from P3 to P1 after 2.5 hours, it is your fault. Your agent don't have education. Your agent don't have the depth knowledge of the product. In this case, the bridge time will be 7:30. In other words, incident already breached. Because customers say why I should take a new time when the priority has been raised. I will consider my time when the incident has been created. If your let's say example, if you are using SIM or maybe you are using the network or internet on your mobile phone from a company, X company. Okay. Internet is not working from the day from 20th of June. You raise a problem or you raise an incident to the Vodafone or maybe some other customer, I can say Vodafone, Airtel, any customer you can pick up. Any company you can pick up. After 2 days, you get a call back from that executive. Sorry, sir, for inconvenience, we are raising the priority to P1 now. What you will answer? And he says, sir, we are working on an incident. It will get resolved in the 2 days. You said, what hell you are talking? I raised the incident on the 20th of June. And now 22nd June, you're saying that you're raising it as a P1. And it will take another 2 days to get resolved. According to me, it is already get breached from your perspective. Because I'm facing the problem from the 20th June, not from the today itself. This concept that from where the time should be calculated is called the retroactive. This thing, retroactive start. What time I should consider in case priority has been increased for an incident? Should I take the creation date? Should I take the update time? So if I click on this retroactive start, you can see here it's saying what time you want to be take it. I want to be take it the created date only. This is the fundamental of retroactive start, guys. A very beautiful, complicated topic. Let me give you a link for the reading part. Read this page. We are going to do exercise, no problem. Let come back here. Again, same thing. I'm repeating it for another example. And this example I gave in almost on my all batches. Okay. Saba organized a party at his home. He invited everybody, including me. Anna, Omiko, EB, MJ, Akanksha, Khushbu, Ugo, Ima, Olu, Priya, Kumar, and Glorio, and Atul as well. Okay. He says he sent the invite and he says, guys, party will start at 6 o'clock and will close by 10 o'clock. DJ will start at 7 o'clock and close at 9 o'clock. Okay, good. Ladies are getting ready. They reach Saba house at dot 6 o'clock. Party started. Drinks, snacks, all going well. People are talking to each other, having a gossips, family discussions, and all the things are going on. But I, as a smart guy, okay, 7 o'clock DJ started. People on the floor, they are dancing it. I'm a smart guy. I think, hey, I'm a big man. I reached to the party at 8:45. See the example. I reached to the party at 8:45. 9 o'clock, DJ stop. I said, hey, why DJ has been stopped? Saba says it was from 7 to 9. It was for the 2 hours. I said, okay, it was for the 2 hours, but I reach now. My 2 hours start from now. Saba says, Atul, sorry, you are late. I'm calculating the time when I started this party. That is 6 o'clock. And DJ will start at 7 o'clock. If you come at 8:45, it is not my fault. Now you still have a time to have a dinner. Otherwise, if you come late, then you will not get the dinner as well. So what Saba is saying, Saba referring to the retroactive timings when actual party has been started. And I am taking the current timings when I reach into the party. This is the difference of the retroactive. Now, due to some reasons, the DJ has to be stopped. Maybe not working, not well, people are not happy, and it has been stopped. It doesn't mean that after that DJ has been started again and the party will be going for the again time which for the purpose or sorry for the reason DJ has been stopped. Let's say DJ stop did not work for the half an hour. Now it doesn't mean that DJ will be open till 9:30. No. Or the party will be open till 10:30. No. It's done and dusted. Now it means DJ timings for the 2 hours, 30 minutes it did not work. It was pause. It will still over at 9 o'clock. Party will still over at 10 o'clock. So this is the concept of the retroactive start.
If it
What
was
sorry.
Yeah, if it was paused, then the breach time should change, right?
This is what we are going to be do now. Just hold on your thoughts for a few minutes, Khushbu. Okay. That is the reason when I was discussing why do you think that why I bring these many fields on the incident where it's gone. Let me open that incident from here itself. This one. Do you think that why I added these? Oh, why it's not showing related leads? Yeah. Should default still not showing to me. This one. Do you think why I added these many fields here? These many. So that we can understand that how retroactive work actually. We need to be see that what is original, what is breach, what is pause time here. So that when I have a retroactive start, I can see that how much time I spend on the pausing part, how much time I spend on the start and stop, and what is the breach, original breach and the breach timings. Okay, so in this case, the retroactive start, Saba and me are the very good friends. But Saba still stick on the same point. Atul, you reach late in the party. Party started sharp 6 o'clock. DJ started sharp 7 o'clock. You just have a 15 minutes in your bucket. Now go and enjoy. Otherwise, don't blame me. Because I thought I am the party man. I'm the guest honor for the party. People should wait for me. Saba says no. I have a given time to the people who came on time. Let me respect their timings. So party has been started. This is called the retroactive. The same way customers say, why should I suffer if your resource don't know how to handle the incident? Saba says you came late, then why should I suffer? I have arrangement for the 4 hours and it's going to be over in the 4 hours. So I'll start from this part, from the creation time only. This is what this retroactive says here. What time you want to be start? Creation time, update time, resolve time, open time, reopen time, follow-up time, expected time. It's all about times only, nothing else. This thing. And if you go here, what it says, retroactive, what it says, this is the paragraph I have to be read. You may want to retain the time or information of the risk in the specific situation. For example, an incident has been raised with the P3 and the priority changed to the P1 after 3 hours. A priority 1 SLA attached to the incident at the same time. Because if the start conditions are matching, then definitely the SLA will get attached. You can use the retroactive start to ensure this SLA timing is adjusted retroactively to count from when the incident first created, rather than to see when the priority has been changed. Being a consultant, I have to be talk on these terms to my customer very specifically and very openly. Boss, in which cases, for which type of incident you want a retroactive start, enable or disable. And then we configure it here. Clear everyone till this point? Everybody clear? Anna, Omiko, EB, MJ, Akanksha, Ugo, Ima, Olu, Priya, Glorio, Kushbu and Saba.
Yes. Yes.
Good. Now another point. EB just put this question as well in the WhatsApp chat today. Okay. Create 2 or 3 SLA. Okay. And put the retroactive start as a true. And set the time as a started, sys created on. Okay. Also, don't put this timings more. More means because you have to be wait a lot of time. Put 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and put 24/7. The reason is being because if you do this thing, you are easily able to understand the gaps as well, that how the retroactive has been working. So create a SLA, put the timings 15 minutes, put the schedule as a 24/7, put the retroactive start as a true, and then create an incident. Put on the pause, unpause, do some work, put on the pause, unpause, and then check these fields, that how the value is getting changed. What you'll be getting here. I'm not going to start the practical part of the retroactive. We'll do it tomorrow. The first half we'll discuss on the retroactive start only, start and pause, but SLA will be completed tomorrow then. But I want you guys to read about this first of all. A very, very, very required part here. Okay. Now coming to the last point. Any doubt, any question, guys?
I have a question.
Yes, please go ahead, Olu.
So what's the answer to the question you asked us? What's the correct answer?
Correct answer was 7:30.
Oh, okay.
But 7:30 is practically in the tool. If you don't tick as a retroactive start, it's not 7:30.
Yeah. Okay.
It become 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the thing. So to understand these things as a practical, you have to do the practical things as well.
Okay.
EB, hope you noted down all the questions. Can I get a yes or no? EB not able to hear you. You're on the speaking on the mute. Okay, no worries. Everybody's be listening, so don't rely just on the EB. You have to go for the exercises as well, guys. Okay, now let's take another 5 minutes to discuss any open issue in the previous assignments, guys. No question? That's fine. Get ready for the Friday test. SLA will be the part of those tests now. Okay, let me stop the recording here then.